Hello everyone, this is Donna Gulfan and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. And to those who are new, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I make my vegetarian tempura or my mushroom tempura. So I will just use this kind of mushroom, I don't know what to call this, I forgot. Oh, oyster mushroom. I'm using the oyster mushroom. So all I need to do is separate it and as much as possible make it a little bit short so it's a little bit big. Just divide it into half or 3 times. Assistant is here. So what can you do next? Wash the mushroom. She's washing her hands. Okay, wash it. Wash it. Yeah, with cold water and not hot water, so it looks like this. So next thing we do is to prepare our mixture. So 1/2 cup of flour. Okay, I'm just using all-purpose flour. It's all-purpose. So all-purpose flour. Okay. Yes, that's it. Good. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. There you go. And a teaspoon of onion powder. Ay, wala na. It's almost empty. Okay. And I will also add parsley flakes. It gives nice taste actually. Just a little bit of parsley flakes. Okay, what else? If you have a mushroom seasoning, you put mushroom seasonings as well. So a little bit of black pepper. Salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. This is the first time that I bought a Himalayan salt. Okay, and of course, the egg. 1 egg is good. Okay, so just mix it and we will add milk. Just half cup of milk. Alright, so that's it. Okay, so if you don't have milk, water is good as actually. So just keep on mixing it. So I guess this is good. So the texture should be like this. It's like a pancake texture. Okay, so after that, you put all your drained mushroom. So one by one. Mix it up. Just make sure you cover all the mushroom with your mixture. Okay. Good. Now we're ready for frying. So just fry the mushroom. Just make sure it's deep fried. So when you are doing deep fried, to minimize oil, or what they call, what's the other term for minimize? Measure. It's not measure. Yeah. Just use
the right amount.
No, it's not the right amount. It's not the right amount. Use a smaller. What do you call this one? Caldero. What's caldero in English? So what's caldero in English? Frying pan. But the frying pan is not deep, right? Whatever. Just fry it. So I'm using a frying pot. And fry your mushroom. So just fry it until golden brown, not charcoal dark, okay? Golden brown. Wow, it's golden brown and it's good. Perfect color. Good job. Don't touch it because it's really hot, okay? So this is my finished product. Let's taste it. I made my own sausawan as well, or the dipping sauce. It's made of onion and garlic with vinegar. Tastes so good. It's good for watching while you were watching movies, or it's good for ulam too. Sarap. Would you like some? Here. Ito, Hans. Tikman mo ba?
Oh no!
Ay,
Right now!
oh, it's good. Sarap.
It's good.
It's good? Basto. I would like to thank you for watching my videos, and I do hope you like my page, and please do subscribe. Yes. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Sarap. Sarap, no? Sarap, no? Relahan. It's enough.